Welcome to my channel. Every day you can earn £300 to £375 per day, and the role is contract role full time, and you need to just WordPress skills. What they are looking for: proven experience working with ACF is essential. An award-winning company in Hertfordshire, a WordPress developer. Opportunity for a WordPress developer to join a business that is organically growing and building an exceptional team to expand and deliver the best possible services to their various client based. Ideally, we want candidates that can easily to get to head feet. The whole team have kindly adopted by the hybrid approach with a combination of office and home working. Most attend office 1 to 3 days a week. We are looking for WordPress developers that are motivated, love coding, and enthusiastic about their work and want to progress their skills and career. The WordPress developer will be the part of a small technical team, and you will get to work on exciting project and be able to explore new technology and to be given all tools you need to carry out your role. You will get to experience a truly diverse range of tasks, frequency, getting the opportunity to learn new technology skills and progress. The WordPress developer will be working closely the director to make sure the projects are being completed to their higher standard. This will including liaising and the team member client have a consulting approach on a new and exciting existing project. This is the ideal role for someone who want to make a positive contribution to a development team. You will have the opportunity to shape and fitness the approach and technology roadmap, skill requirement, proven commercial experiences, WordPress, SCF, HTML, CSS, PHP, MySQL, JavaScript, Git version control, Adobe software including Photoshop, Illustrator, and XD. Desired skill: e-commerce, Magento or WooCommerce, Google Analytics, Cloudflare, or HubSpot.